Guys, unfortunately we've got a leak and the water pump's leaking, so we're going to replace the water pump today. So first thing we're going to do is open the bonnet and drain the coolant out of the vehicle. Now without making a mess, so that's all the coolant pipes off. Next up, we've got four 10mm bolts on the rad. Any more coolant in there? I'll probably give this rad a flush before I do reinstall it. Number 4. Now we can remove the fan. So last bolt for the cam cover. If I put the 30mm, bloody hell. Oh! Ew! That is, oh my god. Look at that! That definitely needs replacing. And in with the new water pump. And obviously a new gasket as well to go along with it. Just zip up these 3 bolts. So that's the water pump installed with the new water pump gasket. Now we can put the cam cover back on. So now we've got the cam cover on, we can put the pulley on with the fan blade. While the fan was off, I thought I might as well give it a bit of a clean up. Rightio. So I've just got 4 30mm nuts to do up tight. Give them a little clean up while they're off. So we've done that, cleaned them up. While it was off, don't worry guys, I gave it a good old coolant flush while it was off. We can put the coolant hoses back on the radiator. That's one coolant hose pipe installed. Now for the second one to go on. We're on the home stretch now. The last Jubilee clip to do up. I said one more, but there is actually one more from that one more. So I'll just do this one more up tight now. So now it's just a case of filling up the radiator. Glug, 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 glug. Well guys, there we go. One water pump has been replaced on this Pinto engine. I'm just looking now, can't see any drips anywhere. It's important when you fit a new water pump that you check the gasket seals correctly, and you've got no drips basically, no leaks. And yeah, no drips, no leaks. Job's a good one.